Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to add an extra layer of security to your chats by locking a specific conversation. So today I'm going to show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this screen, locate the chat of the contact that you want to lock. Now, tap on the contact's name to open the chat with that person. Once the chat is open, tap on this three dots icon located at the top right corner. This will open a menu with different options. From this menu, tap on this View Contact option. In this page, scroll up and here, you can now see this Chat Lock option. Simply tap on it. Here, you simply need to toggle on this switch to lock this chat with fingerprint. In this prompt, you need to scan your fingerprint to confirm this action. After that, you now have successfully locked a contact on WhatsApp. The locked chats will now require your fingerprint whenever you want to access them. This adds an extra layer of security to the conversation. There you go. If you wanted to know how to lock a chat on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to lock a chat on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.